Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 48 divided by 12 over 6 or divided by 24. So we solve it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. So now we solve it. First of all we solve numerator, then we solve denominator. Now we solve numerator, then we solve denominator. Numerator is 48 divided by 12 and divided by 6 divided by 24. So 48 divided by 12, they give us 4 divided by 6 divided by 24, they give us 1 more 4. Now we solve it by the rules of KCF. K means keep first fraction, C means change division to multiplication, and F means flip the second fraction. Now keep first fraction 4 over 1, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction, so 4 over 1. Now they give us 4 times 4 gives 16. So the final answer is 16. Thanks for watching.